What? Okay, I'm gonna do it. We're on right now, live. It is live. We got a late edition here. Might not look like it, but it is. Is this a 13 horse also?
Yeah, 13 and a half.
13 and a half has a new controls that I noticed right off the bat. Has the foot controls also, which haven't been on there. Nice little unit. Looks like they improved the canopy too, actually. Give us a little demo. I think we demoed about 40 of these. Oh, there you go. Nice. Let's see. Gotta be down. Okay. Nice. Has a thumb on it. That's pretty good. These things are super nice. You can come on down Friday before the sale and check them out live if you want. Anyway, there's not much to them. You need one just